Let us see. Draw a line segment draw a line segment 7.5 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 3:5 and measure the two parts Now draw a line segment 7.5 centimeters. Now draw a line segment 7.5 centimeters. Name it AB. AB is equal to 7.5 centimeters. And draw acute angle BAX. Draw acute angle BAX. Now which is an acute angle. Now divide AX into, our scale factor is 3:5, that is a 3 plus 5, 8 parts. Now divide AX into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, let us name it A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, now A8. Now in between these are A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, such that A1, A2, AA1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3 and so on A7, A8. Now join BA8. Now join BA8. Now our ratio is 3:5. Now the first part is 3. From here count the distance. AA1 1, 2, 3. That means draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line to BA8 through A3, which touches the AB at C. Now AC is to BC in the ratio 3:5. Now steps of construction. Steps of construction. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Second, draw acute angle BAX. Draw acute angle BAX. Now divide AX, that is a ray. Divide AX, that is a ray. Divide AX into 8 equal parts. 8 how? That is 3 plus 3, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Divide AX into 8 equal parts. 8 equal parts such that AA1 is equal to A1A2 and so on equal to A7A8. Next, join BA8. Join BA8. Next, draw CA3 is parallel to BA8 through A3 which touches AB at C, C divides AB in the ratio 3:5. Justification from basic proportionality theorem. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides other two sides in the same ratio. That is AC by CB is equal to AA3 by A3A8 is equal to 3/5. Let us see the next problem in the alternate method. Draw a line segment 7.5 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 3:5 and measure the two parts. Now this we can do in alternate method. Draw a line segment AB equal to 7.5 centimeters and draw acute angle BAX. Draw an acute angle BAX. Similarly, draw an acute angle ABY. Now, our first part is 3. Divide AX into 3 equal parts. That is A1, A2, A3. And our next part is the 5. Divide BY into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Now after this is BAY. Our ratio is 3:5. Now join A3 to B5. Join A3 to B5. join A3 to B5 at C. Therefore, AC is a 3 parts and CB is 5 parts. Come to the steps of construction. Steps of construction. Draw a line segment AB equal to 7.5 centimeters. Draw acute angles. Angle BAX, angle ABY such that angle BAX is equal to angle ABY. BAX equal to angle ABY. Third one, divide AX into, AX is a ray, divide AX into 3 equal parts such that AA1 is equal to A1A2 equal to AA1 equal to A1A2 is equal to A2A3. Next, divide BY into 5 equal parts. Divide BY into 5 equal parts such that BB1 is equal to B1 B2 is equal to and so on B4 B5. Join A3 B5. Join A3 B5 which intersect AB at C. Next, therefore C divides AB in the ratio 3:5. Use ruler and measure the parts AC is to CB. Join BA and BC. Now AB equal to 5 centimeters and BC is equal to 6 centimeters. Now draw an acute angle AC draw an acute angle CAX. Draw an acute angle CAX. Now our ratio is a 4/7. Now while you are constructing triangles in this ratio, which part is the more, that many equal parts you have to make on acute angle. That is, you have to divide into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A7. Now join CA7. Join CA7. Now using the set squares, draw a parallel line. Numerator is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this point, you have to draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line A4. Draw a parallel line A4C to this line. Draw a parallel line A4D. Now A4D is parallel to A7C. Now through D again draw another line. Now this is a C now. Let us write this one as C dash. Now draw another parallel line B dash C is parallel to BC. That is, draw a parallel line B dash C. B dash C is parallel to BC. Therefore, A, B dash, C dash is the required similar triangle of triangle ABC. Now, let us follow the steps of construction. First point, construct a triangle. Construct a triangle with the given measurements. Construct a triangle with the given measurements. Second, draw acute angle. Draw acute angle CAX. Angle CAX. Third one, divide AX. Divide AX. AX is the ray into 7 equal parts. 7 equal parts such that A1 is equal to A1 A2 equal to and so on equal to A6 A7. Fourth, join CA7. Join CA7. Draw A4C dash is parallel to A7C. through A4. Next, draw C dash B dash is parallel to CB through C dash. Triangle AB dash C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Justification. Triangle A B dash C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Now from BPT, basic proportionality theorem, AB dash by AB is equal to B dash C dash by BC equal to AC dash by AC is equals to 4/7. Let us see the next problem. Construct a triangle PQR with PQ is equal to 6.4 centimeters, angle P is equal to 60 degrees and angle Q is equal to 50 degrees. Now construct a similar triangle. Construct a similar triangle whose sides is 4/5, whose sides is 4/5 of corresponding sides of triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR with PQ equal to 6.4 centimeters, angle P equal to 60 degrees, angle Q is equal to 50 degrees. Construct a similar triangle whose sides is 4/5 of corresponding sides of triangle PQR. Now construct a triangle PQR. Now PQ is equal to 6.4 centimeters and extend this base up to some extent. Now at P 60 degrees, produce this one up to X, angle P equal to 60 degrees. By using protractor, place at P protractor and mark that 60 degrees. at Q is equal to 50 degrees. Again use protractor at point Q and with the 50 degrees cut this line. Now both meet at point R. Angle Q is equal to 50 degrees. Now PQR is a required triangle. Now draw the acute angle QPZ and divide it into, in the numerator is a 4, denominator is a 5. 5 is the more, that's why divide into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now P1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now numerator is the 4. Join Q to P4. Join Q to P4 through P5. Through P5 draw a parallel line to QP4. Now draw a parallel line to QP4 through P5. Which touches at Q dash. Now through Q dash draw a parallel line to RQ through Q dash. Now draw a parallel line through Q dash, which is R dash. Therefore P Q dash R dash is a required similar triangle of triangle PQR. Steps of construction. First point, construct a triangle with the given measurements. Construct a triangle PQR with the given measurements. Next, second point, draw acute angle. Draw acute angle QPZ. Draw acute angle QPZ. Divide PZ. This is a ray. Divide PZ into 5 equal parts. Such that PP1 is equal to P1 P2 equal to and so on is equal to P4 P5. Join P4Q. Join P4Q. Fifth point, draw P5Q dash is parallel to P4Q. Draw P5Q dash is parallel to P4Q through P5. Again, draw Q dash R dash is parallel to QR through Q dash. Now, triangle P Q dash R dash is similar to triangle PQR. Justification: since triangle PQ dash R dash is similar to triangle PQR, then by basic proportionality theorem, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, this line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Therefore, by PQ by PQ dash by PQ dash by PQ dash by PQ, PQ by PQ dash is equal to QR by Q dash R dash is equal to next PQ, QR and RP by R dash P is equal to 4 by 5. Let us see the next problem. Draw a line segment of length 7.5 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 5:8 and measure the two parts. Draw a line segment of length 7.5 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 5:8 and measure the two parts. Now, let us see. Draw a line segment AB of length 7.5 centimeters. Draw an angle BAX is an acute angle. Draw an angle BAX is an acute angle and divide AX into 5 plus 8, 13 equal parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Divide it into 13 equal parts. Name it. A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, A13. Now join B A13. Join B A13, and in the ratio the first part is a 5, that is take 5 centimeter distance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now through A5 draw a parallel line to A13B, that is we have to draw a parallel line to this one, that is draw a parallel line through A5 which touches the AB at C. Now therefore the required ratio is 5:8. Now steps of construction. Steps of construction. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Second, draw an acute angle. Draw an acute angle BAX. Next, divide AX, it is a ray, divide AX into 13. How 13? Our ratio 5+8. Divide AX into 13 equal parts. 13 equal parts, such that 13 equal parts such that A1 is equal to A1 A2 is equal to and so on is equal to A12 A13. A12 A13. Now fourth point, join B A13. Join B A13. Next, draw A5 C is parallel to A13B through A5. Which intersect AB at C. Now C divides AB in the ratio 5:8. therefore AC is to CB is equal to 5:8. Next, using ruler measure the two parts AC and CB. Justification AC by CB is equal to A5 by A13 is equal to 5 by A5 to A13 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let us see the next problem. Construct a triangle with the sides 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeter. Construct another triangle. Construct another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides. Of the triangle. Here the given question is, construct a triangle with the sides 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Construct another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of triangle. Here the length of the sides are not mentioned in particular, that is why let AB is equal to 5 centimeters, BC is equal to 6 centimeters, comma AC is equal to 7 centimeters. Let us suppose are the measures of triangle ABC. Now let us consider the big side as the base, that is, let us consider AC. Let us consider AC and produce this line. AC is equal to 7 centimeters, or else AC is equal to 7 centimeters. Taking A as center with radius 5 centimeters, draw an arc. Now taking C as center with radius 6 centimeters, draw another arc to cut the previous arc at B. Now join BA and join BC. Now AB is equal to 5 centimeters and BC is equal to 6 centimeters. whenever, please recall, in the ratio the numerator is the more, that part will be extended in both the directions. That is, now b should be also extend up to some extent. This one be also extend. This is extended up to some point. This is a L, this is K something. Now divide, draw an acute angle CAX. Divide an acute angle CAX. Divide an acute angle CAX. And in 7 and 5 in the fraction, 7 is the majority part, that's why I divide into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. And the minor part is a 5. Connect A5 to 6. Join CA5. Join CA5. Now you have to draw a parallel line to CA5 to A7 C dash through A7. Now draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line at C dash. Now draw a parallel line A7 C dash to A5C through A7. Now again draw a parallel line to BC through C dash. Now draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line that is which touches the B produced at B dash. Now A B dash C dash is the required similar triangle of triangle ABC. Now steps of construction. Steps of construction. First point, construct a triangle. Construct a triangle with the given measurements. Construct a triangle with the given measurements. Construct a triangle with the given measurements. Second, draw acute angle. Draw acute angle CAX. Draw acute angle CAX. Divide AX into 7 equal parts. 7 equal parts such that AA1 is equal to A1A2 equal to and so on equal to A6 A7 A6, A7. Now, fourth point, join A5C. Join A5C. Next, draw A7C dash is parallel to A7C dash is parallel to A5C through A7. Through A7 when AC is produced. When AC is produced. When AC is produced. Next, sixth one, draw B dash C dash is parallel to BC through C dash when AB is produced. When AB is produced. Triangle A B dash C dash is similar to triangle A dash B dash C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle A B dash C dash is the required triangle. Is the required triangle. Justification from the two triangles you have to consider big part by the small part. Big part is AB dash by AB is equal to B dash C dash by BC equal to AC dash by AC is equal to 7 by 5. Let us see the next construction. Construct a triangle ABC with BC is equal to 6 centimeters, AB is equal to 5 centimeters, angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees. Construct another triangle. Construct another triangle. Construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides. 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC with BC is equal to 6 centimeters, AB is equal to 5 centimeters, angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees. That is, two sides and one angle is given. With the help of these measurements, first we have to construct a triangle ABC. After that, construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Now, let us see. Now, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment BC is equal to 6 centimeters. Now angle is given at B, angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees. That is, at B, draw an angle 60 degrees by using the protractor. That is 60 degrees. Now AB is the 5 centimeters. In AB, the letter B is on the base. That is, now taking B as the center with radius 5 centimeters, draw an arc on BX at A. Now join AC and AB is equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now, draw an acute angle CBY. CBY is an acute angle. From these two, 3 and 4, 4 is the biggest. Divide BX into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is B1, B2, B3, B4. Now, when compared to 3 by 4, numerator is the smallest. Then join CB4. Join CB4. Now we have to draw a parallel line through B3. Now draw a parallel line B3 C dash. Draw a parallel line B3 C dash parallel to B4 C. Now again draw a parallel line to AC through C dash. At A dash. Therefore, A dash C dash is parallel to AC. Now, therefore, A dash B C dash is a required triangle. Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Construct a triangle. Construct a triangle. Construct a triangle with the given measurements. Construct a triangle with the given measurements. Draw acute angle. Draw acute angle CBY. Angle CBY. Divide CY. This is the ray. Divide BY. Divide BY into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts such that BB1 such that BB1 is equal to B1 B2 is equal to so on is equal to B3 B4. Join CB4. Draw C dash B3 is parallel to CB4. Draw C dash B3 is parallel to CB4 through B3. 6. Draw C dash A dash is parallel to CA through C dash. Triangle A dash BC dash is a required triangle, is a required similar triangle, Justification. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash, then by basic proportionality theorem, recall once, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides other two sides in the same ratio, that is A dash B by AB is equal to BC dash by BC is equal to A dash C dash by AC equal to 3 by 4. Let us see the next construction. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these points P and Q. Now take 2 points P and Q, one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeters from its center. Now draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters with the center as O. Now from this point locate a point P. Now again from this one extended diameter, locate a point Q. Let O be the center of the circle. From center to external point C is distance of 7 centimeter from its center, that is this is 3 centimeters, this is the 4 centimeters, 3 plus 4 7 centimeters. Now P is at a distance 7 centimeters from the center. Now again here also this is 3 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. Let O be the center of the circle and radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. P and Q, let us name this as the P, this as the Q. P and Q are the 2 points extended diameter. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of OP, that is draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ. Now perpendicular bisector of OP touches the OP at M, and perpendicular bisector of OQ which touches the OQ at N. Now taking M as center, OM as radius, now draw a circle. Now taking M as center, OM as radius, draw a circle which touches the circle at 2 points, that is A and B. Now taking N as center, ON as radius, again draw a circle. Now this circle touches at C and D. Now join PA and PB. Next join QC and QD. Now PA, PB and QC, QD are the required tangents. Now steps of construction. Steps of construction. Draw a circle. Draw a circle with radius 3 centimeters, comma, let O be the center of the circle. Let O be the center of the circle. Next, locate 2 points P and Q. Locate 2 points P and Q either side of a circle. Either side of a circle such that OP is equal to OQ is equal to 7 centimeters. OP equal to OQ is equal to 7 centimeters. Next, draw perpendicular bisectors of OP and OQ at M, N respectively. Draw the perpendicular bisector of the OP and draw the perpendicular bisector of the OQ at M, N respectively. Taking M as center, OM as radius, draw a circle which intersect the previous circle at A, B respectively. Next, taking N as center, ON as radius, draw a circle which intersect the previous circle at C, D respectively. Join PA, PB, QC, QD. PA, PB, QC and QD are the required tangents. Conclusion: tangents drawn from external point of a circle, are equal, that is PA is equal to PB, QC is equal to QD. Let us see the next construction. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters which are inclined each other. Which are tangents? Tangents are inclined each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Now let us see. draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Let O be the center of the circle. Let O be the center of the circle and produce this line up to some extent. And produce this line up to some extent. And OA be the radius, which is the 5 centimeters. Now, using your protractor, place your protractor at the position of O and construct an angle of 60 degrees. Construct an angle of 60 degrees. That is, your angle is 60 degrees. Now, which is at B. Now, you have to, at B, now you have to construct an angle of 90 degrees. We know that angle at the point of contact is 90 degrees. Now, at B, you have to draw a tangent by using now we know that tangent and the radius are perpendicular to each other. Now angle at the point of contact is 90 degrees. Now this is 60 degrees, this is the 90 degrees. Now this is some O, A, B. Now this is a C. Now BOC is a triangle. In this triangle, sum of angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. This is the 90. This is the 60. 90 plus 60, 150. Now here the angle is 30 degrees. Now, similarly, from O downside again construct an angle of 60 degrees. Again construct an angle of 60 degrees by using the protractor. Now this is a 60. Now let us name it as a D. Now at D, by using the protractor, again mark as 90 degrees and join this one as like now again here the angle is 90 degrees. Angle at the point of contact is 90 degrees. Again like above, 90 degrees. COD is a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. 60 plus 90, 150. Now here the rest of the angle is 30 degrees. Therefore, which are inclined, that is the tangents are inclined each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Now CB is the tangent, CD is the tangent. These two are inclined at an angle of 30 plus 30, that is 60 degrees. Now steps of construction. Steps of construction. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter, comma, OB the center of a circle. Let O be the center of a circle. Second, produce OA up to some extent, Now, draw angle AOB equal to 60 degrees. Next, draw angle OBC. Draw angle OBC equal to 90 degrees. Next, fifth one, again draw angle AOD equal to 60 degrees, comma, draw angle ODC equal to 90 degrees. Observe angle BCD is equal to angle OBC plus angle angle BCD is equal to angle OCB plus angle OCD, that is equal to 30 plus 30, 60 degrees. 30 plus 30, 60 degrees. Seventh, BC comma CD are the required tangents. Observation BC is equal to CD. Conclusion, tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal. Tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. Let us see the next construction. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeters. Construct a tangent to each of the circles from center of the other circle. Now, first draw a line segment. AB. draw a line segment AB equal to 8 centimeters. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Now take A as the center. Now draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Now taking A as center with radius, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Now the radius of this one is 4 centimeters. Now taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeters. Now from this one, draw another circle whose radius is 3 centimeters. Now it is a center of the circle. Now after this one, now draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, that is which touches AB at O. Now taking OA as center, and OA as radius. Let us take this as OA as center, OA as radius. Now draw a circle. Now this circle touches at the points P, Q, R and S. Now from the center to here, next from this center to PQ comma AS are the tangents, and now from this from B to this is the one tangent, and from B to R. Now the required tangents are AQ and AS, and BP comma BR are the required tangents. Steps of construction. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Second, taking A as center, with radius 4 centimeters, draw a circle. Point number 3, taking B as center, this is 3 centimeters. Taking B as center with radius 3 centimeters. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. Next, draw perpendicular bisector of, draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AB which intersect AB at O. Next, taking O as center, taking O as center, OA as radius, draw a circle. Taking O as center, OA as radius, draw a circle which intersect the circle at P, Q, R, S respectively. Now, taking O as center, OA as radius, draw a circle which intersects the circle, that is the circle intersects the previous circles at 4 points P, Q, R and S respectively. Join AQ, AS and BP and BR. Therefore, AQ, AS and BP and BR are the tangents. Observe AQ is equal to AS and BP is equal to BR. Conclusion, tangents drawn from an external point, external point of a circle are equal. Once again to repeat, draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters, taking A as center with radius 4 centimeters, draw a circle. Taking B as center with radius 3 centimeters, draw another circle. Now, next, draw the perpendicular bisector of OB, that is the perpendicular bisector of AB touches the AB at O. Now taking O as center, OA as radius, draw a circle. Now this circle touches these two circles at four distinct points, namely P, Q, S and R. P, Q, S, R respectively. Now here the centers are A and B. Now this center 2, according to the question, construct tangents of the circle from center of the other circle, that is AQ and AS are one pair of tangents from the center A. Similarly BP, BR are the another pair of tangents from the center B. Therefore we conclude that the tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. Therefore AQ is equal to AS. Here the external point is A. Similarly BP is equal to BR. Here the external point is B. Let us see the next construction. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 6 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of radius. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 6 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of radius 8 centimeters and measure its length. Now let us see. Now construct two concentric circles. Circle 1, next two concentric circles of radii. This is the OA and let us continue. This is the OB, that is OAB. Now OA is equal to 6 centimeters and OB is 8 centimeters. Now take any point on the concentric circles P. Take any point on the concentric circle P. Now draw the perpendicular bisector. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of the OP which touches OP at R. Now taking R as center, PR as radius. Taking R as center, PR as radius, draw a circle draw a circle taking O as center, taking R as center and PR as radius, draw a circle. Now this circle touches the inner circle at the 2 points. Name X and Y. Now join Px and join Py. Now Px comma Py are the required tangents. Now we know that this is a radius, inner radius, which is the outer radius. Now we have to find the length of, also the measure of the, also find measure of its length. Now let us see steps of construction. Now draw two concentric circles. Draw two concentric circles with radii. Draw two concentric circles with radii 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. That is OA is equal to 6 centimeters, OB is equal to 8 centimeters. Take a point P on outer circle. Take a point P on the outer circle, comma, join OP. Join OP. Next, draw perpendicular bisector of, draw perpendicular bisector of OP which intersect OP at R. Now taking R as center, PR as radius, draw a circle, which passes through O and P. The circle intersect the inner circle at X and Y respectively. Join P px join px and py, join px comma py, we observe px is equal to py. Observation, tangents px is equal to py. Conclusion, tangents drawn from an external point, tangents drawn from an external point, of a circle or